Abusua, wahala bebre na ekoso. Debia ye ka ho asem, ne is no different. Akwa bia twa letter akwa ma so le bia ese ye ka ho asem. US election get every week no omo dey in 1 month ye be ka ho asem. Corona, oh my goodness, it is going down. Yes here. Abusua ye started straight from Kenya. Kenya ni bi okwa asole abusua ye friend edition. Akwa no asori from Nkura Brem up to 2018 eno jay asole. Nan one day ye wa twelete akwa koma na asole. Say the chorus your 2 ye nyina. The chorus your 2 ye nyina from 1998 up to 2018 or 2017 o jay asole no. Asole ne refund na de nyina man enye say obesi wa asole no. Abusia sa na ye possible zo betima ye sa o. Now Bujana let no twerk come asole no. Eba tweet ni so. We dey read some session bin kira we dey to say. I hereby demand reimbursement of all the monies I contributed to the church while I was a member from the year 1997 to 2018. This is approximately 58,000 KES. That is Kenya Fosika, which is equivalent to a little over $400. Agwaro no sound so prepare. I confirm that the contributions were not voluntary and blame this on undue influence, duress, and intimidation. If you do not give up, you will go to hell. I did way they had as civil work. What was only to correction? Say your means now. Now what I saw now, what letter from us as send music in number. Now we are send the date to say up to November 31st year. So munim na so man send this kana mrena. I want a bank account to ma obesi wa so le no. Ai. Ade we bitru Ghana de beti afazuo. Now Abuja moving on. US election. Omoto abayiwe yenye but still na Trump say abana omoto ye na yesen kono na ewe ni. Onya we ni ye ne nkwade na koma nto ne yemju or file legal cases court to court. Court to be obeko bia so ne abanso no. Ba bi obefa bia o de betale bia na why. Oti ase. Ohu abofo ye send omo free Africa no. Wo hwe omo for you can say omo for ship. Ntino makwa koduru ntem. Ntina ma Ntina wanye ntumu se wa lose no de. Na there is no way President elect Joe Biden beti ma prepare ne ho or any team ne staff. So mbekwa White House so akọ rule America for the next 4 years. But I think say changes ya bam. Donald Trump na nkasa. So hwe se ne ade si ko na aje be bi odbefo bia na why no. Or the about Twitter so about Twitter so okay. They say there yeah. On one nkasa if you know the best type of person he is, o ma mekasa will lose that. But all ye ni in a way be say at what I say be ya munhuru no. Or no on consider but what I say free what kind of deal ni bi. The Twitter tweet post no say, I want to thank Emily Murphy of GSA for her steadfast dedication and loyalty to our country. She has been harassed, threatened, and abused, and I do not want to see this happen to her family, or employees of GSA. GSA ni a proper transfer of power from the president to the next president. Oh, America, which is from Trump will go for it to Biden go for no. Or more bet to kick or more man because I'm gonna be Biden Muska. And in this case, and I think there's almost Biden with $6.3 million. And I'm gonna be transition and a whole lot of stuff. Our case strongly continues. We will keep up the good fight, and I believe we will prevail. Nevertheless, in the best interest of our country, I am recommending that Emily and her team do what needs to be done with regard to initial protocols and have told my team to do the same. And this is the closest we can get to Trump conceding. You know, that brings me back to one important thing. Sofu Badu Kobi. You there? You there? It looks like that's of where they were here.
From Eden and Sab Biden said
the movie has not ended. You hear what I said? Yeah. The movie has not ended. From Monday, Trump is going to court. The movie has not ended. So I don't care what anybody. I'm not going to answer him because the election itself is not over. Is it over? It's not over. So I will answer now. When everything is over, then I will talk.
And now still now, young for Biden Institute 2020 still now spiritual realms. No Trump na ne bezien lead one. Osofo, well, Abusia, maybe who are you comment section that's all. Now, Abusia, let's get to the important story, important update here. Yeah, since the corona we say, kakra bin come here lose hope our scientists because if there are scientists panas ya dey kuni person na the scientists no it means science ya duro maya na Abusia na ya hadwen, but it looks like say no munya na yo kra. My faith in them Abusia say restore back keke. Corona drawing no ya task about 12 biggest pharmaceutical companies. So mumpe ho duro mra. And omo scientists around the world too good so. Up to now, there was one approved corona drug on the market. Now, Russia I think that Russia and some one country beer and a near use. But I don't know phase 3 testing, which is human testing. No more better test, better certified, be proper results. A better if you don't bet atoms okay. What do we know? A jet, yes, starting a video for my man for. I don't know news I level and President Putin, or President and Cove will not say no. A young walk around a minute do. But this. There have been 2 companies here. A dear drone be a bar, Abusia, from our test results from the buyer. My goodness, that is good news. Just it is saying 2 companies, which is Pfizer and Moderna. Pfizer is one of the biggest pharmaceutical companies in the world, Ankasa. Omo develop omo the other whole test here, and omo the bab one thing say, omo drone now omo here no. It is 90%. Time about first now, the big results with your hope status there. It is 90% effective in preventing coronavirus. Did I was just a baby who am we are saying? Not just your filia broso because corona was at it, you couldn't papa. US and kuni pap more than 250,000. That is no joke. What I say? Omanya more than 90%. And now the second company, which is Moderna. Moderna no subabont is okay. Almost when you're doing India, almost on the 94.5%. 94.5%, which is more better than near Pfizer for the buy, which is 90%. And check any 2 days now Pfizer for us here, baby, say yet dear no upon multiple testing again. No, yes, yet the 95%. Which means they say Pfizer and that top one kasa. They say the omonya drone is more like wine they be the atom the most and now first. Now they wait monya sa big queens now. What you say pharmaceutical companies this a be omonya no. Because after some reporter Pfizer for the buy the buy and the US government in quarter 100 million doses of medicine ya omuguzu omoya testing. 100 million and why almost $2 billion. $1.98 billion for just 100 million doses. Almost on deliver, I think around 20 million or so. And I'm Moderna at the end of you do calculate Pfizer at the end based on US figure, which is 1.98 million divided by what I say, 100 million. I think you get somewhere in the ballpark of 22 euros dollars per drug, which is good and also affordable in case there's a whole contract corona in Libya. But the money game, 1.98 billion, and then for just 100 million doses, we are more than 7 billion on this planet. So imagine. But you need to want to say at least Omonya Humodro. Says the UK for Krabi, US for countries where they not start take Krabi. Last time I checked Ghana, okay, Ghana yesterday won't continue so level, but and JS get it to the next level, Hobby. So Abusia, that is the good news of this corona this thing. Now the major difference between some Moderna and Pfizer at the end is more like how our Messi store a drone. Even though it's any now yeah the same thing. What is preventing coronavirus? Now we'll be granted working on the mouth. But the two differences is how our Messi store a drone. Pfizer at the end is stored at a temperature of minus 34 degrees Celsius. Now normal fridge away feel and yet that cold of a temperature. The only thing is to get the Pfizer medicine, as well as specialized refrigerators and also on top of that, Omodiana is more effective for just 5 days. But the Moderna, the 94.5% efficacy rate now. Abusiana, the master on normal refrigerator, and now if you bet made more than I think a bit made a month. So which means that the bus storage wise, how useful that is now. Moderna no is on top of Pfizer, but the bad percentage rate of how we are this year Pfizer is on top of Moderna. Either way, we like it, at least there is some good news to this whole corona pandemic. It looks like that by the year 2021, things will change. Oh my goodness, and that is something that we are all waiting for. And not just two companies, which is Pfizer with BioNTech, and Moderna and one they develop vaccines. Like I said, 12 companies, pharmaceutical companies, and the latest one I think, AstraZeneca, or Museum Manafino 70%. The reason said they are also climbing up. It looks like there's a 12 in bubble man. Oh, Abusian, you bet me to Corona, we are see. Nice. Magrab 99 bars, right? Drop one episode, so Nyan share Abusian. Because the madness in a woman, goodness, my goodness.
I know the one that lays dinner match slipper. What's the way you dad by you swimming with that flipper? Focus me to somebody and a blab blab. Pala rapper, so they want to them. I want to see a rabbit. Corona buying how much I would rather. So now we know the shit. Back from the dead, like who gon' try? Fly over the horizon, the rise on the many stars. I can redesign, I'm the fast in the middle ball. Speedy boss, passing promo, feel the rap, punch it hard, my foot in the boarding. I compare with rap and now you go see the gap. I made the bayan and I'm just watching. I get 99 bars, students, now so I point you fan. Now I will do that.
Many go YouTube description and say, Thursday crapper 2 ni baba. And not the crowd there about them. Abu's episode was brought to you by TapTapSend. TapTapSend the mobile app I bet him they send this car from Abusian for Ghana. Abusian so Europe they are the best and easiest app I bet him you use to send this car. I am much convenient and secure. So with the year now, any balance can within a few seconds TapTapSend. Link to download no YouTube video description as well. So we'll send the Abusian Scar will send the scan and any balance app. You add the extra cost to be we are first time we use app and you somehow £5 for free Abusian. No one is what code Magra have washing. So with Germany and I will send you a bit me use credit card and debit card. And on top of that, we bet me as you use bank account or Metis scan of film direct. I send you many pana. Person will send this car command. This all Europe and one person send this car through mobile money. Kwa Ghana. Please use TapTapSend. Obey enjoy Ankasa. Link to download now our YouTube video description as well. Thanks for watching Abusian. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and click what so send new video be piano. Bye now, second. Till we meet again, Abusian. Adios.